noises. Don't make any noises, okay?
Okay.
Well, guys, hello there. And they're busy saying. So, I'm
charger?
I'm still charging. It's okay. So I'm gonna trust some of my cables, because cables are only the camera is still the same, and this one is so cute, little thingy. The and this is the advanced LED,
Paabot nung kumatsi.
and this is the ball plane. It's not finished
Oh, ang galing.
but let's do the Kible V2A because it's the goodest thing of all, and I cannot delete this because it's my work.
Shut up, Barbie.
Kasi nagre-record na ako.
Oh, yeah.
You don't know how about recording. I'm recording. I tell ya. Okay. Okay, sama. Good song. So the controls are very good. And people say that I am a fake YouTuber. What do you think, guys? Are they flattered? Leave a comment down below if they are flattered. If they are flattered, if they said, Harvey is a fake YouTuber. I'm gonna keep posting this because I joined in a group of Discords. What does this take? Some screenshots. Okay, screenshots. These are quite cute. Good, but there's something missing or Guys, we're running out of oil, I think. Well, I'm gonna die.
Wow!
So, aside mission. Yep. I could make videos such as something, or why I keep posting some of the Roblox videos? Because it's too much fun. I keep telling this to other people, okay? Because I have Discord always. Well, if you want to search my account, well, if you want to be friends with me, then wait. Oh, there's it. I know the idea. It's because I said it's the same name as my Roblox account. I'm not real Mike Noru.
Because.
And why is this skipping? What are you doing? And I can search because I'm gonna die. Okay, man, I'm gonna, and this video is gonna end. The same name as my Roblox account and hashtag 5085. That's my Discord account. Okay, and Roblox Fun Gaming. If you want to join with me or keep posting that. Okay, so I'm gonna die. So bye guys. I'm going to bye guys.